Hey guys, so we're still at Majay's house. We came in and did the feasibility check for the daylighting, and once we kind of talked to Majay, we figured out what her need is really some ventilation. Since it's summertime, I think that's going to be perfect for her. So she decided she wants to install an attic fan, so we're going to do it. So let's go.
Starts going.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
So
So basically it just creates suction in your attic, pulling out all the hot air, all the hot stagnant air in there, and pushes it up through these vents right here, pulling down your attic. Makes a big difference.
wow. Can't wait to see it.
Yeah.
All right, got her done.
Got her done. Great.
All right, Majay, we're all finished up. What do you think?
Well, it looks good. Can't wait to see it.
Yeah, it's gonna make a heck of a difference.
All right. Well, that's great because it's super hot up there.
Yeah, awesome. Well, thank you so much for having us.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much.